morning to my respected teachers. Today I am playing a talk show with Mr. Ming, a friendly dragon. Hello Mr. Ming, welcome to my show. Have a seat. Thank you. I am honored. So Mr. Ming, nowadays what are you doing? I am a teacher of Draki Drago School. Oh, that is nice. Where it is? It is in Wonder World. Oh, that is great. Our audience wants to know, are you a vegetarian? Oh, and what is your favorite food? Yes, I am a vegetarian. I love to eat pasta and chocolate. We all know that you are a great dancer. Please do a step for us. Yes, why not? Thank you. Thank you. I hope you will come again to my show. Thank you.